you know that you need to work more, then obviously you need to take care of yourself a little more, a little extra, isn't it? And at times we feel like having more tea, having more coffee, or take more desserts, whatever is your favorite, isn't it? And when you are traveling, you tend to miss the food that you eat at home. To be honest, what I miss the most is roti made by my mother. I can have anything in the whole world, but I just miss the roti made by my mother. It may be aloo paratha, gobi ka paratha, namak ajwain paratha, parathi, a simple roti made with lot of love. You just can't have it anywhere in the whole world, but it is only available at your house, and it is only your mother who can help you or provide you or give you that roti. At times, lot of people or your friends might tell you to lose your weight, you should do dieting, and maybe at some point of time you also feel at the back of your mind that you should do something to reduce weight. And during that process of shrinking your weight, you tend to miss out roti. I'm sure most of you do that just because your dietitian told you or your friends told you. Believe me, roti is an essential part of our diet. Being an Indian, I feel it is like we are all born and brought up like that, isn't it? So, whether you belong to North India, South India, any part of India, roti is very important for you. It's a very important part of your diet. Some parts of our country, people take rice as their staple food, but it all depends. I personally feel, and this is what doctors also have recommended, that uh, the ingredients which are there in roti actually helps our immune system. And believe me, at times, because of this COVID 19, even everybody wants us to take care of our immunity, isn't it? So I want you to stay healthy, stay strong, stay home, and enjoy roti. Maybe you are not actually liking the feeling of staying at home for such a long time. Being a workaholic person, it really, it's not easy, I understand. But believe me, sometimes some things are not in our control. So embrace those changes and enjoy having roti at your home.